Hello my dear students of class 6, dear student, as you have studied about the chapter 4 and chapter 4 was the sorting material into the groups, and this chapter was completed, the explanation of this chapter was completed in the previous video, and now in this video you are going to learn about the very short answer question, and long answer questions. So my dear student, take the copy, pen and start down writing of this very short answer question and long answer question. So let us start. Question number 1, that is define classification. So this is very thing, the categorization of the materials into the group is called classification. Or you can say that question number 1, let us start question number 1. The grouping of same materials is called classification. This will be the definition of the classification. My dear students, come to the question number 2. What do you mean by the properties of a metal, a material? इसको भी आप समझ लीजिए कि क्या हो सकता है. Okay, question number 2. What do you mean by the properties of a material? Question 2. The materials, the different materials show different characters because of the nature of that material. The nature of that material. This may be called the properties. This may be called the properties. So dear student, these two questions that you have seen in this very short answer segment of the question, and now come to question number 3, that is very important. Question number 3, and this question number 3 is, why the solubility of oxygen in water important? Very, very interesting question. The dissolved oxygen is helpful for aquatic animal, for the animals living in water, in bracket aquatic animals, aquatic animals, in bracket aquatic animals, for their respiration, for their respiration. This will be the answer of question number 6. This is the question number 6, not 3. Question number 6. Now, my dear student, these 3 questions that have been taken into the consideration during this practice of question answer from very short answer, and now come to the short answer questions. And the short answer questions are question number 4. What are miscible and immiscible liquids? Give at least one example of each case. What are the miscible and immiscible liquids? Now, short answers. In short answers, questions, question number 4. Question number 4, and this miscible and immiscible liquids means the liquid, the two liquids like water and milk, get mixed together and called miscible. Liquids. While water and oil cannot mix together, and called immiscible. Liquids. So, my dear student, this is the answer of question number 4 that is given in the book. And now come to question number 8. You are provided with the following materials: turmeric, honey, mustard oil, water, glucose, rice, flour and groundnut oil. So make three pairs of substance where one substance is soluble in the other, and any three pair of substance where one soluble remain insoluble in the other substance. Very good. This is the NCERT example, and you have to do it like turmeric, honey, mustard oil, water. So first of all, soluble. Take the example of soluble. This is question number 8. Question number 8. You have to write here soluble, here and here insoluble pair. That is insoluble pair. Insoluble pair. So you have to pair it here. So three pairs. So insoluble, water, mustard oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, plus groundnut oil. Mustard oil plus groundnut oil. Mustard oil plus groundnut oils. Then water, mustard oil, water, plus mustard oil. Then turmeric, glucose, glucose plus water plus glucose, and one more, that is rice flour turmeric water, water plus turmeric, then rice flour, honey. Rice flour and honey. Rice flour plus honey. My dear student, you have to do the activity at your home. Take and mix it. Try to mix it. Then one more, that is honey plus groundnut oil. Honey plus groundnut oil. Honey plus groundnut dear student, you have to see that whether these are insoluble pairs or they are soluble pairs. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the three pairs, my dear student, that is given here as the answer of the question number 18, short answer. This one. Now, my dear students, come to the long answer question. And long answer question, I would like to take one example in this video itself, and that is explain the experiment to show immiscibility of liquid. Question number 1. Now, long answer. Long answer questions. And question number 1. The answer is experiment to show in this experiment we take chalk powder, CHALK, chalk powder and mud in separate pots, in separate watch glasses. We take water in beaker A and B. We mix chalk powder in A, in beaker A, and mud in beaker B, which are filled with and we try to mix water in A and B. We observe that no any beaker is showing solubility, means these materials are immiscible. Are immiscible. So my dear students, these are all the questions that have been explained to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.